Welcome back, traders. Sorry about that. My battery died. And sorry about the audio too. I fixed that. So Fibonacci retracement, check that out on Euro USD. I show you USD CAD earlier. Check that out. From the low to the high. Where is the retracement? Boom, exactly on the 61.8 and the trend line. This is insane. Same thing as USD CAD. USD CAD was the 38. Now the 38 and the 61 is the most powerful one. The 61 is the most powerful one, definitely is the Fibonacci golden ratio. And the third one is the 50%, and then after that you got the extension and the 78, so, and the 23. But these are the most powerful, especially those two, and with a trend line makes it even better. And so boom, but the thing got the impulsion retracement on the support slash resistance, price trying to go up, retracement again, support, hold it, trend line as well, and what? Where the price stall? On the 38. Now I obviously bought over here, somewhere around here, and if you think I'm lying, that's the cool thing about C-Trader. You can go in order or history, and first of all I want to show you my week. Check that out. I started the balance at $1,500 July 2nd or July 5th, and I'm at $2,025, and I don't know why it says $786 realized while I made $500 this week. But anyway, I started, I'm gonna show you the old history. I started this account at $600 and I already withdraw $500. So check that out, how cool it is. You see this trade, gross $322 in profit, 60 lots, closing price 1.700. Okay, if I do create statement, you see over here it's already there. So how crazy it is. Like, you see, like, I bought here 50 lots right where I said it. I'm not lying, guys. Support, trend line 38. Now I know we are still in the downtrend, like I said, so that was the only thing that was not respecting my trading plan. But I felt like it was gonna break that trend line. So sorry if I made like a crazy trade full of profit, and another one right now that is breaking even and probably gonna make a lot of profit. So that's the kind of thing, like, when you're a trader, you know it, you got your gut feeling, so you can do that. When you're following signals, you cannot do that. Now the crazy thing about this trade is the 50 lots over here, and then I added 10 lots over here, so I made more money. I made the same thing on the position that I'm in. I don't know if it's gonna show you. If I do, can I do create statement? Nope. I'm only gonna be able to show you when the trade is closed, guys. But basically what I did is I entered a trade here. No, this is my current entry price, but I entered a trade way down and I only had 0.35 lots, and I added 0.15 when I was like 10 pips in profit with a nice candle. If we go back on the 30-minute, you see that this is where kind of price kind of stall. So this big impulsion, I was sleeping, and that's where I made my $300 something profit sleeping. Okay, now the price kind of stall, and I re-enter around here. All right, on this candle, you see the green dot. on this candle I re-enter, then I kind of added like 0.15 lot here, and I added another 10 here. So now we're in deep profit, only 20 pips in profit. The reason why it's only 20 pip is when I'm adding position, what it's gonna do is gonna, instead of adding a position around here, it's just gonna raise up my position or lower it down if we are in a sell. So that's crazy. I think like this technique is super crazy, but we're still testing it. And disclaimer, don't try this if you don't know what you're doing, because it's if you do this and you're not breaking even, you still have risk on the trade. It's not good. Like, it's not adding a lot, adding more risk. It's only when you're breaking even. And like I said, this is re-entering a trade that I was in. I got my TP, nice trade, and now I saw, because of the price candle, I saw that I could get back in, right? Usually we need a pullback, but there's some time in the market when you cannot get a pullback, or there's no structure to get a pullback. So you gotta go with the price action if you want to re-enter the trade and risk less. So on the past trade, I was at 0.60 lot, made $300. When I re-enter on my previous trade, I started with 0.35 lot, only 30 pips of stop loss. So I was around here. I was saying to myself, if there's a candle that railroad track that we call it, if it goes and engulf this huge ass bullish candle, forget it. Like I'm out, right? My stop loss is there because it's gonna go down after a huge engulfing like that. Maybe not, but and if the price has a big candle like that and it just start to fall slowly, it all the way down here, it means that it was just the bank or big trader making their movement, and now everybody's taking their profit out. That's why it's falling. So in either way, I was not right on the trade. Now obviously I was right on the trade because the trade kept going up, and if we're lucky, it's not gonna retrace back to my entry and just keep going up over here and have another 3 for 1, like a 2.5 for 1 on this trade, and made another $460 something. Now I want to show you the trading result of this account before we close this video, because this is super important. If you're watching this and you don't understand what I'm talking about, what I was talking about at first, because you didn't see the first part, go check out the first part after the end of this video. But let me show you the result that I have. And if you want to learn more, there's a premium membership. Check out the link in the bio. Our premium membership, guys, it's our online course. It's all going to be explained anyway, and with some VIP Forex signals. And we also have only VIP Forex signal if you just want signals, you don't want to learn our strategy. So let's go in the history, and we'll do all history. Okay, you can see the balance was on 22 of the 5th 2018. It's May 22 of May. I had $600. I had a few kind of breaking even, not so good trade. Then I had a huge stupid loss that got me at $265, right? Lost like 58% of my account. So after that, I'm gonna show you the chart and everything. You're gonna see a 58% drawdown. Now, I know there's always naysayers that's gonna say, yeah, but it's luck because you see there's a 58% drawdown. This is not how you trade, blah, 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 blah. I know that bullshit, but it was a $600 account, right? I'm not gonna go and like risk $2.50 trying to make $6, guy. So yeah, that was a stupid loss, but check out, I went if you want to take it like that, let's just say I started from there, from June, like 1st of June, $265 in the account. So if you have an account similar to that, check out what's possible. We're July 5th. That's 5 week, all right? 5 week, $265.48. Little trade, little trade, little trade. Good trade, good trade. Getting back up at 350, 426, 544. A little bit of losses, 543, 479, 434. A little bit of losses, then we go back up, a little win, a little loss. You see, that's the life of a trader. But the account balance in general is going up. 508, 17, 455. Now we hit a good trade, 550. Another a good trade, 600. Now we're back, right? What's the date? June 13. Took me 2 weeks to get back on one stupid trade. That's risk management right there. That's why you want to have good risk management. Okay? One stupid trade can fuck it all, right? Now I'm staying at 600 for a little while, some break even, patient, boom, $888, huge trade. This was like probably the biggest, right? Not in terms of profit, but the biggest one that blow my account up. Now another winning $1,000, boom. Now we're good, right? From 265 to 1,000 in June 14, in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Okay. Now we go back, a little loss, $900. After that, you see the balance at 500. That's because I withdraw $500. I'm gonna show you. Now I did it again. 500, 547, 507, 758, 800. A little loss again. Another loss, 700. Go back up at 800. You see, in general, there's some little trade like kind of break even or trade that I was not sure, so I kind of got out at 20-30 pip. But you see that the real trade, you clearly see that I'm always winning two times and a half more than I'm losing. That's why the account keeps on growing. I'm not having really more win than losses. I'm gonna show you the stats. It's like 58% win. Now the balance 820, 922, 800. Okay, so I'm gonna start going a little bit faster. I'm at 800. Then I go down again, guys. 700, 635. A lot of people would have freaked out right there. But keep in your mind, 616. Keep in your mind, I withdraw 500 already. So that's like I started at 600 on May 22, and that's like if I was at $1,150 on June 25th. So 1 month I like kind of doubled my account, like made 90% profit. So 600, 575, you see there was a struggle where then we go back up. 678, 680, 7, 800, 1,000, 1,000, 1,150. Then we go back down again, guys. 800, 800, then go back up. 1,000, 1,200, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 2K. Boom. Now we're at 2K. Realize $1,700 in profit. That's good. That's really good, guys. No one can say shit about that. Now, this trade right now is not as good. I don't like that. I had a great profit and I want that shit to go to the sky. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you want to know more, check out the link in the bio. follow Young Entrepreneur 1, that's me on Instagram, on my YouTube channel right now. Subscribe, turn your bell notification on. If you're watching this on the Golden Option channel, subscribe as well, and I will see you on the other side.